Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Wells Fargo and Company, and we are going to discuss about the current as well as the long-term trend. So as you can see in the long-term trend, if you are holding it since 1980-82, so from those levels to the highs of 2017, it has given you a return of 8,600%. But currently with the crash or with the fall you have a return of 3300% on the upside. Now what we are going to do, we are start with the current position of the trend, and we will look at the levels that probably the stock will see in the times to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now I want you to focus on, because we are looking at a long-term chart, so I want you to focus on this level. Okay, this is a very important support level and I want you to focus on that. Let me just zoom this thing a bit and you will see what I am talking about. Okay, so let me just you have this support, you have this resistance, you have this line, and probably this one, and yep, this one and this one. Okay, so here we have our trend for the time being, or probably in the years to come. So the way the stock is moving, first understand that the way the stock is moving, it is near to its or at its support level, which is a very good thing, which is this level at 23.4 or $23 right now is a very important support level, and if it breaks we can maximize this support up to 21.25 or yep, $21. But below that, okay, below that, if you want to consider this also, you can consider. So rather than 21, I will make it like 19.5 or 19. So this is the range of support in between 19 and $23, and in that 23 is one of the most important support, where in the past 10 years the stock has uses this level as a support for quite a long time, or more than 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. So it's now a very important resistance support. Now with this, and if you just uh, look at this highlighted section, you will see the stock has started moving on the upside. Okay, this is a monthly chart. This bars may look very small, but it has a big impact. So now if the support indeed persists, then what we are going to see on the upside will be a target or resistance of $34, which will be your first target or resistance. Then you have $44, then you have 55.8, then you have 60, and finally the high of 2017, which is at 2018, which is at $67 and in the year 2018. So what the trend suggests is, if this level holds, or if it again retest it, and it will trade in between 19 and 23. So first thing, that if it go below 19, then obviously it can go down till its previous low of 2009. So you should know where your support and resistance is, and you should know where your risk lies. Okay, so you can either you want to wait or you want to exit, that is up to you. But if this support holds, this support won't hold, then this is the level, so you need to act accordingly. But this support holds as it is right now, then probably we are going to see the highs of 2018 in the months and in the years to come. Obviously it will take some time, So do not just think that it will happen in couple of months. It will probably take couple of years, but this is on the card for the time being. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.